Привет всем и добро пожаловать на русский со страстью. Hi everyone and welcome to Russian with Passion. Today we're going to talk about the phrase «ни пуха, ни пера». This phrase can be shortened as «ни пуха». Then it sounds more casual. And the equivalent in English would be «break a leg». So this phrase is used to wish good luck to somebody. To tell the truth, this phrase is connected with hunting. Down, пух, represents animals. And feather, перо, represents birds, wild animals, wild birds. The phrase is technically wishing the recipient failure in hunting. The logic is the same as with the phrase break a leg. By wishing somebody bad luck, you make them have good luck. By the way, to respond to the phrase «ни пуха, ни пера» or «ни пуха», you need to say «к черту», like to hell. And then you'll have good luck, I promise. У меня завтра важный экзамен. Ни пуха, ни пера. К черту. Привет, ты куда идешь? Иду на собеседование. Очень хочу получить эту работу. Ни пуха. К черту. Ну вот и все на сегодня. Хотите изучать больше русских идиом? Ставьте лайк и делитесь. That's it for today. If you want to study more Russian idioms, press the button, like and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to continue studying Russian with me, and hope to see you soon. Happy Russian and English practice. Bye! У вас завтра экзамен по русскому? Ни пуха, ни пера.